Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maya Sang Aulia. Today I want to show you my final lesson plan for ICT midterm test, which is the lesson plan. Okay, starting from the business or materials. No. Before I explain and I show you a lesson plan, I use the book from the English for Nusantara, grade 9, chapter 1, unit 1, about exploring fauna of Indonesia, Bekantan. So here are the business or materials. The topic is exploring fauna of Indonesia, and then the focus is descriptive text about Bekantan. I'll give the picture of Bekantan and then YouTube video about Bekantan. And for the independent task, I provide the worksheet. In the worksheet, include animal information table, and then for the material, I provide a PowerPoint or Canva slides, and then Google Docs for drafting the descriptive text. And last is Padlet for posting final descriptive paragraphs and peer feedback. And also Kahoot. Kahoot for activate their prior knowledge for reviewing key vocabulary and information about Bekantan, of course. And I plan the lesson objective that I expected my students are able to identify specific information about Bekantan from a descriptive text and audio visual material, and also students are able to describe the physical appearance, characteristics, habitat, food, and behavior of Bekantan using appropriate vocabulary. And students are able to complete an animal information table about Bekantan based on the information from the text and the video. And also, students are able to write a short descriptive text about Bekantan using simple English sentence. I plan and I create the lesson objectives that in my lesson plan is, of course, based on the taxonomy Bloom from lots to hots. Okay, this is the source for Kahoot to activate their prior knowledge. Maybe later I will show you the Kahoot link, and then this is the teaching slides that I mentioned before to give the student material. And yeah, start from the warm up and objective discussion for 5 minutes. In the warm up and objective discussions, I prepare that as the class begins, the teacher explained the purpose of the activity, and it involves informing the students that they will be taking a short quiz to review what they learned about Bekantan in the previous session. Because this is session 2, so in the warm up and objective discussion, I only review the material that we already discussed about in the last meeting. So in the session 2, in warm up, we only focus a review, such as showing a picture of Bekantan, and I asking several questions such as what animal did we discuss in the previous meeting, to also again and again to for activate their prior knowledge. After that, I expected that the student answer orally, like long nose, reddish brown fur, mangrove forest, and so on. So, um, how in addition that I give the picture of Bekantan, I also give the Kahoot quiz that they can do the quiz from Kahoot, also to activate their prior knowledge about Bekantan. And then moving on to instruct and model for 15 minutes. This skill focus on listening. I prepare that I play a YouTube video. In YouTube video, it includes refer to the also information about Bekantan, and the YouTube video is connected to the English for Nusantara book. So I think that it is authentic for student because the YouTube video is very easy to understand. Like uh in that video uh um about Bekantan information like the name of the animal, what does it look like, where does it live, and so on. Okay, this is the YouTube link. And after that, for guide practice for 15 minutes, the focus skill is reading, writing, and speaking. For the first animal information table, this is focused for drafting a descriptive text before they write a full paragraph of descriptive text. So I want my student to write a draft of descriptive text in animal information table in Google Docs that I provide. And then not only the draft and the table, but also I give them to descriptive text about Bekantan, short descriptive text. Tujuannya adalah for students remember if they write the information and the answer, they can read the information from the text. Yeah, I provide the worksheet in Google Docs. So in the Google Docs, my student is only write a draft of descriptive text. And then I also create a backup lesson. My backup lessons is guess and describe the animal. So this is, I think, a little bit like a game. Guess and describe the animal. So in Canvas slides, I give the several picture from animal like bekantan, orang utan, Komodo dragon, and Sumatra tiger. So they can choose the cue cards from flashcards picture, and then they can answer the questions in the below. After that, independent practice in 10 minutes. The skill focus is writing. Yeah, this is drafting a descriptive text, of course. So after the student create table information from the animal, so the students are instructed to organize their ideas into a short descriptive paragraph that includes the name of the animal, physical appearance, habitat, food, behavior, and so on. And then they draft individually in Google Docs. After that, in writing final draft, focus skillnya itu writing. So after they write the descriptive text in Google Docs, the draft from the Google Docs, or maybe if they want to write a full descriptive text on Google Docs, it is okay. But for the final draft writingnya, the students post the final descriptive text on Padlet. So in the Padlet, the students write the full of paragraph descriptive text, and then in the comment section, and then they can choose one or two classmates tasks for give the peer feedback like the vocabulary, the sentence, simple grammar, and so on to engage and build their practice peer-to-peer participation and constructive feedback. So yeah, for the teacher, I assess the task with the rubric, of course, from the criteria content, organization, vocabulary, grammar, sentence structure, mechanics, digital submission, and peer feedback from excellent until poor. For yeah, from excellent until poor. So I think that's enough for me to explain our my lesson plan. So I think that's enough. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Good morning, class. Good morning. All right. How are you feeling today? Everyone's good. Fauzia, how are you feeling today? Good? Good. Aleta, how are you feeling today? Good? Good. Okay. Faris, how are you feeling today? Not good? Why? Oh my god, your bicycle is broke when you go to school. Such a bad morning for you, right? Okay, but I really appreciate you because you came in class earlier, not late, even your bicycle is broke. So after class, you can reparation your bicycle. Okay, everyone, did you have a breakfast today? What breakfast, Faris? Your bicycle is broke, but you had a breakfast. What breakfast? Fried rice. Okay, fried rice. Fauzia? What breakfast? Bread and chocolate jam. Sounds good. Okay, class. Listen carefully. Before we start our lesson, please make sure you are ready. You are ready and prepare your book, your mobile phone or laptop if you bring laptop, and also your internet connection because today we will use Kahoot, Google Docs, and Padlet for lesson today. Now please look at the slide. Today we still in chapter 1, unit 1, Bekantan. Okay, our topic is exploring fauna of Indonesia. And then we focus about reading and writing a descriptive text. Okay. In the previous meeting, we already learned some information about Bekantan. Good job. Today we will review the material, read a descriptive text about Bekantan and complete the animal information table that I give you later, and then we write a full of paragraph about descriptive text. Okay, class, look at this learning objective. You can read by yourself. And before we start our lesson, I want you to recall or remember your knowledge about previous meeting. About what? Bekantan. Okay, Bekantan. So you can prepare your font and then open Kahoot and answer the review quiz. You can scan this barcode to join quiz. Okay, I already give you barcode, but I not give you a link, so you can scan the barcode. Okay, I give you 30 seconds for scan the barcode. Okay. Okay, class, are you ready? Okay, let's start the quiz. Good job, everyone. Now, let's continue with some questions. So, I'll give you the Kahoot review to make sure that you still remember about our previous meeting, and then to recall your memory about key vocabulary and information about Bekantan. Okay, guys, finish Kahoot review. The Kahoot review finished. Everyone finished? Everyone done? Okay, good. Please look at the picture on the slide. Okay. What animal did we discuss in the previous meeting? Bekantan. Okay, alright. This is Bekantan. What does Bekantan look like? Bekantan has a long nose and has a reddish brown fur. Where does Bekantan live? Bekantan lives in mangrove forest. And then, what does Bekantan eat? It eats leaves and fruits. And why is Bekantan endangered? Because its habitat is destroyed, or because of forest destruction. Excellent answer. Bekantan is endangered because its habitat is endangered. Okay. Good job, class. From your answer, we already have important information about Bekantan. You mentioned its name, physical appearance, habitat, food, and what? Conservation status. Now, when we write the information into a paragraph, we can make a text that descriptive. What we call it? Do you know what kind of the describes a person, animal, or a thing? Fauzia, what? Descriptive text. Good job, Fauzia. Descriptive text. So, class, look at the slide. What is a descriptive text? A descriptive text is a text that describes a person, animal, place, or things. It gives clear information about the object, such as its appearance, characteristic, habitat, food, behavior, and other special features. So, in this lesson, we will write a descriptive text about Bekantan. Okay. Look at class. The structure of descriptive text. Actually, the descriptive text, the descriptive is easily structured because they have only identification and description. In identification, we introduce the animal. For example, Bekantan is an Indonesian animal, and the description also. The description describes the animal's appearance, like you mentioned before, has a long nose, reddish brown fur, and then habitat, food, behavior, and conservation status. Okay. Next, I give you all also the vocabulary focus for you to easily remember, or you can read the vocabulary and then the meaning for complete the draft about the descriptive text. Now we moving on to the example of descriptive text, because our topic is Bekantan, so I'll give you the example is Bekantan. So, bekantan is an Indonesian animal. It has a long nose, reddish brown fur, and a long tail. It lives in mangrove forests near rivers. It eats leaves, fruits, and seeds. Bekantan can swim well. Bekantan is endangered because its habitat is being destroyed. So, from the text, what the important point or what the vocabulary that will you use yang akan kalian gunakan? It has, it eats, and endangered. Alright class, now your turn. Now you work independently to write a simple descriptive about bekantan based on the animal information. After you can write your draft about bekantan in the independent task. I'll give you the animal information table to help you write the draft, and then after that, you in the Google Docs you only write a draft in table because I'll provide you a animal information table. In animal information table, it's include the information and answer. The information such as the name of the animal, its physical appearance such as long nose and reddish brown fur, habitat, food, behavior, and conservation status. You can write the answer in table. Okay, listen class, you in Google Docs only write a draft. Okay, after that, after you finish your draft in Google Docs, I will you to post your final draft in Padlet. In Padlet, you post your descriptive paragraph about bekantan that you already write before in animal information table. After that, your paragraph must include the animal's name, physical appearance, habitat, food, behavior, and conservation status. And then remember, use simple sentence English and check your grammar, vocabulary, spelling, and punctuation before posting in Padlet. After you posting your final descriptive text on Padlet, I want you to give your peer feedback for your friends, at least two friends. You can choose your friends, anyone. You can choose your friends, siapapun gitu ya, anyone. And then you give the feedback for your friends, such as the pronunciation, the punctuation, the flow, and so on. So class, any question? Do you understand the assignment, the task? Okay. Okay, because you are understand the material about bekantan, I think that's enough for today. So, what did we do before? We learned about bekantan. Alright, good job. Thank you class for participating well in the class. Bye.